Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab, and if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now right click over here, open the Cloud Console incognito window, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now you may get some kind of pop-up, just click on I agree and continue, and now click on this to activate the Cloud Shell. Here you have to simply click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Just click on this continue, and after that you may get one kind of pop-up again which will ask you to just authorize yourself. Just click on it and now wait for the lab to first Cloud Shell to get open. So finally our Cloud Shell is ready. Now let me just increase the text size. Now in the description box you'll see the GitHub section. Come over here, select it like this, and do join our social handles too. Now just come over here to the Cloud Shell and just paste it and hit enter. Now wait for it to get completed. It will take some time. After that, we'll be done with the lab. Also, we'll check some of the things if anything fails. So just wait for it. So now here you can see the job is starting. So if you want to track the job, just click on it and just come over here. Let's see whether we get the score or not. So do one thing, just refresh it and just check the score again. So we have got 80 out of 100. For the last task, you need to wait for some more time till the job gets loaded and all things are succeeded. You can see it's running. So you need to wait for it to get running status. You can see and succeeded. Okay, so after running, it will show succeeded. It will again take some more time, maybe 10 to 12 minutes. So just wait. So finally, it took 7 minutes 28 seconds for this part to complete. So ideally, you can consider that the complete lab will take around 15 to 20 minutes depending on the lab requirements and resources availability. So just check the score. You can clearly see. Let's wait for the score to get updated. Yes, we got the score. So this is the way we have completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead and check the playlist for the remaining labs.